Welcome back, and in this episode, we're going to talk about worksheets and workbooks. A Microsoft Excel file is a workbook with multiple worksheets. Your worksheets are listed here at the bottom, and the name of your workbook is here at the top. So this workbook is 1079-MS and has multiple worksheets. You would automatically think that there are only 4 worksheets in this workbook, but you can adjust your horizontal scroll bar to see additional worksheets in the workbook. You can also right-click over the Sheet tab navigators to find out how many worksheets are in this workbook. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 worksheets in this workbook. If you wanted to add some additional worksheets, you would just click on the plus button. Your active worksheet is always going to be white. And when you adjust the zoom control of your worksheet, that is worksheet specific. So if I zoom in a whole lot on the competitive market survey and then I click on Sierra at Fall Creek worksheet, notice the tab for Sierra at Fall Creek turns white and the zoom is different. Now we can talk about the various views of your workbook, which is normal view, page layout view, and we'll zoom out here so you can see the difference. Continue to zoom. So this is how it would look if you physically printed it on a piece of paper. And don't get worksheets and physical sheets of paper confused. Each worksheet can have as many pages in it as possible. And the last view is page break preview, where you can see here that the area enclosed in the blue line is what's going to print. Anything out here in the gray area will not print, and you can adjust what will print with your mouse. So if I just want from here up to print and none of the amenities, the unit upgrades, or the standard features to print, I can easily adjust that in page break preview and in other views, but I think it's the easiest in this one. So to review what we talked about, a workbook is made up of multiple worksheets. You can navigate from worksheet to worksheet by clicking on the Worksheet tab. Your active worksheet is always going to be white, and you can also see as well as navigate from worksheet to worksheet by right-clicking over your Sheet tab navigators.